Self-practice 4.9 question 2. Convert the following to index form. Okay, so in the video before this, we saw how to convert from index form to a log form. So we bring x as the subject, we get log to 5. So now we are going to learn how to go from here back to here. So it's the same thing. If I just bring it down here, okay, it applies both ways lah. So if we have log 2 5 equals to x, log 2 you bring here will push the power up, you'll get 2 power x. Okay, so let's look at the questions. A is log 10. So log 10 you move here, it will push the 4 up, it will become 10 power 4. B, same thing, 10 move here, it will push the negative 4 up. So 0.0001 is 10 power negative 4. C, log 2, move there, 128 equals to 2 power 7. Then here, log 4, we move over here, we will get 64 is 4 power 3. Okay, so this one goes both ways. That's it.